Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be diving into this beautiful BH Cosmetics Smitten in Switzerland palette. And I don't really have a clear-cut plan on what I want to do for my makeup look today. I'm thinking that I'm going to go in with some of the greens in here and then a little bit of this orangish yellow color and get that blended out, but I'm not really sure yet. So we'll kind of go as we move along in the video. I do already have my eyebrows done and my eyelids primed to try and save you guys some time. So let me brainstorm a little bit and then I'll be back and we'll get started. So we're going to get started with this green shade right here, and that's called Mountain, and I'm going to drag that into my crease, and then I'm going to take this orange shade, Matterhorn, and I'm going to pack that into my lid, and then on the outside corner I'm going to do a little bit of this purple shade right here, which is called Yodel. Green is applied, and before we go in and pop the Matterhorn on the lid, I'm going to go in with this light shade right here called Snowcap, and I'm just going to apply that to my brow bone real quick. Alrighty, so we have our purple, yellow, and green applied. I'm going to take a tiny bit of this green glitter shade right here, which is called Mount Rigi, and I'm going to pop it into the inner corner. And I don't know how good this is going to look, but we'll find out. Just going to do a tiny bit. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it's cute. A little pop of green in there. Alrighty, so we got our green put in the corner. And I am going to get lashes, mascara, and eyeliner done off camera, and then we will be moving on to face. Alrighty, we have our lashes on, and this one is kind of being weird at the corner. I don't really know why, but I'm just going to leave it, whatever. We're going to move on to face. I'm going to get my face primed with the Cover FX that I've been using. I don't want to use the Professional just because my face is kind of oily lately. I don't know why. I also didn't really take my makeup off too good last night, so that could be why, but it's not breaking out or anything, it's just getting a little crazy. So we'll let this primer sit, and then I will go in with my Foundclealer. So while our setting powder sets, we are going to dip into the OG Anastasia Contour Kit. And I'm going to go in with my middle shade. Get this face sculpted out. And for those of you wondering, this is a Beauty Blender puff. It's a powder puff. And I usually use my Beauty Blender to put on my baking powder or setting powder. But this puff is amazing. I struggle to pick up any powder with my Beauty Blender. Usually it's wet because I wet it. Or I'll try a different one. I've tried different brands. I've done it all. And so far, this puff is the shit. So we're just going to continue to get this blended out. Get our forehead because it's big. You know what I'm saying? I feel like this side always gets more contoured than this side. All right, so we're gonna go back in with the setting powder, and I'm just going to put 2 fingers in it and dab it like so. Shake the extra off. And you guys can just see how easy this goes on. It's amazing. Just pat it. And with the brush, I tried it with a brush too, but I felt like it gave me too much fallout. We'll set this for good measure. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for a couple minutes and then I will go in and blend it out. For our blush and highlight today, we're going to be using the BH Cosmetics Glowing in Grease palette that I showed on my birthday video. And I'm going to go in with Mykonos, I think that's how you say it. And it's this shade right here on the top. And we're going to dab that in. It picked up a lot of color, which is surprising. Ooh, that's pretty. Just gonna dab that up. That's a pretty peachy pink. And then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and blend it out. See the difference? And then we're going to go in with our highlight. I'm going to be using the shade underneath that, which is this one right here, and it's called Athens. It's a very pretty, almost, I would say like a pink champagne color. We're going to take our brush and dip that in, and pat it, and then blend it out. You guys can see that. That's a very pretty, I would say that this is almost, it's as pigmented as the Becca highlighters. And those are very pricey. And I'm really happy that I chose these products because then I can show you guys that your makeup doesn't have to be super expensive. Look at that. Boom. I'm gonna put a little more just because I'm a spaz. We'll go down the bridge of our nose and our Cupid's bow. I'm gonna go pick a lippy and then I'll be back. So unfortunately I could not find the lippy I wanted to use, so we're gonna be going in with this Tarte lip paint. And it is in the shade Rose. The lippy I was looking for is a Tarte lippy that matches this color on the outside exactly, but we can use this, that's okay. I gotta check this in a mirror because I'm doing it in the viewfinder and it's not the most reliable. Alright, there we go. I am going to spray some setting spray because it is supposed to be kind of warm out today, even though I'm wearing a sweater because my house stays cold whether the air is on or not, which is weird. But I'm going to spray that off camera. And thank you guys for checking out this video. It really means a lot to me. I am putting more effort into the editing of my videos. I did get my green screen working, and so hopefully you guys really like the time and effort I'm putting into these. Again, this is the final look. And this is the Smitten in Switzerland palette that I got for $9. So if you have $10 extra to spend, but you don't have $40 to spend on a palette, these, as you can see, are really, really good. All you need is some decent brushes and a good primer, and you can make it happen. Thanks guys for checking out. See you next time.